Hi, welcome back to our lesson. At this moment, I'll be discussing to you about the conditional statement and Python. However, last video I already gave you an example with the use of if statement in the combination with the while as well. So the logic of Python, especially when creating a program using a conditional statement, is just actually the same with other programming languages. They only differ on the syntax. Even on the comparison operators are just the same, just like less than, the less than equal, the equal to, the greater than or equal to, as well as the greater than or not equal. Okay, so but there are cases that you can also use the word true or false instead. So this will represent the Boolean expression to evaluate whether it's a yes or no answer, right? So don't forget that the equal sign is used for assignment, so same as with other programming languages. Now let's get started with our sample program. This time, the sample problem that I'll be giving you is about determining whether the user or the customer can get a discount if he or she is a senior citizen. Let me say the age would be around 55 and above, and those whose age less than 55, then they will not be able to get the discount. The purpose of this problem, just for demonstration of purposes, using the if else condition. Now let's start by asking the user first. So enter a name. So in this case, I'll be entering here, enter your name. We're going to ask the user to enter the name. Next, since the way we're going to determine the problem is based on the age, then we will ask the user to enter the age. And age is a number, then we can use the int. Then after int, since we will ask them to enter the age, input again. Inside the input, we can ask, how old are you? Oops, this should be a question. All right. Now, this is where we're going to apply now our if condition. In Python, the equivalent of curly braces is actually colon. So in this case, you don't need to put a curly braces. You just simply type in if. Then we're going to use the variable age, since that's our basis to determine whether a person can get a discount or not. Let me say the age is greater than equal to 55. Then the syntax in Python, you have here the f as a keyword, and this one is the expression followed by a colon. So in here, after the colon, you can add a code. What do you want to happen after this one satisfy the condition? Assuming this one is true, then this line of code will be displayed in your screen. Let me say I'll put here first, I'll put here name, then comma. You can say you are qualified for the discount. Okay, now how about if less than 55? Can say just put else. Okay, as you can see, it's just easy. You don't need to put the curly braces and you don't need to focus on the syntax, but instead you just focus on your logic of your program. So in this case, this will be printed on this part if this condition is false. Assuming the user enters less than 55, then this line of code in line 6 will be the one to be printed on the screen. So you can put here name. I'm going to call up the name, comma. Sorry, you are not qualified yet. Okay, let's try to run the program. So as you can see, we only have 1, 2, there are 6 lines of code only for a very basic if-else condition. Okay, let's try to run. What's your name? My name is Joy. How old are you? Let me say I'm 23. What would be the output? Joy, sorry you're... Oops, I forgot to put here, sorry you're not qualified yet. Okay, let's go back to our code, fix our code. Sorry, you are not qualified yet. Okay, let's try to run again. I'll be entering here the name again, Joy. How old are you? 34. Let me say, sorry Joy, you're not qualified yet. Okay, that's better. How about if 55? Let me say, how old are you? I'm 55 years old. Oops, sorry. Oh yeah, you are qualified for the discount. Well, our program is working. So I'll be converting this to capitalize so that if ever I type any names in a lowercase, it will convert it into an uppercase. Let me say I'll be typing another name called Priscilla. This one, this is the name. Priscilla. How old are you, Priscilla? I'm 73 years old. Priscilla, you're qualified for the discount. Wow. So it means our program is working, and that's how you're going to write your basic if-else condition. And the next video, we will be trying to create another program with the use of if, then elif, and else. Okay,